Are you an adult who never learned how to read in school? Or maybe you can read a little bit, but you would like to read a lot better. Well, I'm a teacher with 29 years of experience, and I've been teaching kids how to read for many years. And I would like to help you learn how to read too. We're going to start by learning phonics. I hope you'll join me and learn to read by watching YouTube videos. We will start by learning the basic letter sounds. Please watch and repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, farm, F. G, goat, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, aw. P, pie, P. Q, quilt, Qu. R, red, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, vest, V. W, web, W. X, box, X. Y, yarn, Y. Z, zebra, Z. You will need to rewatch this video until you have each of the flashcards memorized. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way I can help you learn to read. I appreciate it. I'll see you around.